I really enjoyed it. Actually, this is my first hackathon.
It's been amazing, amazing sponsors, amazing challenges.
Like, it's a great experience. Also, you meet other people from other parts of the world and you see their perspective on solving problems.
I think overall organization of this hackathon was amazing. At some hackathons there are problems with compute power or with internet connection, but here everything was organized really well.
I was surprised actually. I was not really sure what to expect here. I found it extremely dynamic.
We meet up with awesome folks and people doing cool stuff, inventing cool and nice ideas.
It always amazes me how you can gather a lot of talented people in one place and get new ideas very quickly.
A lot of great people we talked to, so it was really worth spending the weekend here together with the whole Oerlikon team and all the hackathon attendees.
The favorite part was that I was able to solve the real problem that they had.
I think the highlight was actually working with the team. I think like brainstorming the idea, and this is a really collaborative and also team building exercise.
This was our very first hackathon weekend, and we are all very, very happy. It was amazing what we have seen as a result. So teams were inspiring and presented excellent solutions.